So today I'm in the Menominee Marina, Menominee, Michigan. Most of the boats are out. A special guest today, Kyle Metz. What time did you get here?
A little bit ago.
Okay. I think someone's been diving in here. It's not as bad as last year. Glad to see you showed up.
I'm glad you started without me.
Hey, I gotta exercise, man. Look at that. Is it a fuse box for a car?
Yeah.
Or a boat?
Yeah, something. Yeah, it's a fuse box. Little fuses on it. It's for a Ford.
A Ford?
Yeah.
What the heck? Someone got mad at someone and chucked this in the water probably. Whoa.
Yeah.
Good find, Kyle.
Yeah.
You gonna put that on your trophy shelf?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Where'd you find that at?
Right on the edge right there.
What the heck? I missed it, huh?
You ran right past it.
Oh, the Viz is awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, lightsaber, baby. A lightsaber's gotta be funner than finding a gun. I'll tell you that. That's pretty cool. Look at this. You stuck in the gate. Hook them on your hook? You can't pull them up there. Should I hook them on there? Hold on. Don't pull until I tell you to. Okay, go ahead and pull. You gotta reel them up. You got a salmon. Woohoo! You gonna get them up there or what? I got it. I'll bring it over here. I'll bring it over here. Here we go. Can you get the hook out? Yeah. All right. Oh, that thing stinks. First ever lightsaber.
Oh, that's awesome.
Let's go on the trophy shelf. Kyle, I got a present for you.
What?
Man, is that how you're supposed to walk on land?
Yeah.
Look at that big old slab. Wow, that'd be fun catching. There's something coming out of here. Got some pillowcases over here. Got somebody's shorts, some canvas, a lot of plastic in here. Some random stuff here, a shoe, some glass bottles, some aluminum flower pots. This is pretty cool, finding this thing, little suction cup thing. Found a boat. One of my favorites here, a lightsaber. And this is what Kyle found, a Ford fuse box. How do you think that got in there?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
The angry wife.
I found this bugger down by the gate to come in the marina. It's pretty big. I wish I would. Oh, there's something on my hand. Yuck. All right, I'm gonna go throw this back in the water. This is gross. It's like gooing on me. Oh.